Think you need thousands to start investing? Think again! You don't need to be rich to build wealth. First option, invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds let you invest in many companies at once. Even small investments grow over time. Second option, use micro-investing apps.
Apps can invest your spare change.
Third option, start with ETFs. ETFs spread your risk.
Let compounding work for you.
You can buy a small piece of big companies.
Instead of buying the whole stock, buy a fraction.
Some stocks are expensive. Fifth option, note, please invest in real estate with REITs.
REITs can pay you regular income.
Five simple ways. Just $50. Doing nothing costs more than starting small. Investing is a long-term game. Your first step is the most important. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Before you invest, make a simple plan. Know what you're investing for. Choose investments that match your risk level.
Build a small safety net first.
Saving keeps money safe. Investing helps it grow.
Consistency beats timing.
Markets go up and down.
Patience is your biggest advantage.
Don't panic during drops. With just $50, you can start building real wealth. Every dollar you spend has a choice. The earlier you start, the more you gain.
Compounding means earning on your earnings.
Spread your money to reduce risk.
If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Learn the basics before you invest.
Automate your investments.
Wealth is built step by step. Cash loses value. Investments can grow.
Your journey starts with just $50.
Growth may look small at first, but it adds up. Invest consistently, no matter the market.
Reinvest your returns to grow faster.
High fees can eat your returns.
Regular investing beats one-time investing.
Start seeing money as seeds, not spending.
Track your progress monthly.
Ignore the noise. Focus on your plan. Your future self depends on today's decisions. With just $50, you can start building wealth today. The difference isn't the amount, it's the decision. Doing nothing lets inflation win. Even $50 can be diversified. You don't need to be perfect to start. Build the habit first. Wealth follows. Short-term pleasure or long-term progress?
Real investing is slow and steady. $50 is more powerful than zero.
Every expert investor once started small. Start investing with $50 today. Gain and let time do the rest.